Hey folks, not much of a countdown timer today. No countdown timer at all. In fact, I just want to get straight back into the code. I've had dinner, feeling better. We have had all of our stuff done. That's right, we redid everything. So we've got fun groups and all sorts. You know what I'm going to do? Come in here. I'm going to delete this account again. I can't type delete. This will permanently delete your account. Internal server error. Okay, let's refresh. Internal server error. I'm getting an internal server error when let me just try logging out and back in again. Oop, can't type. I wonder whether it's because nope, I'm getting all errors now, probably because I made a huge big refactor. Getting internal server error when I try and delete the user. The dashboard isn't working because it's not loading something. Income looks like it's loading. Obligations. I want to move these icons to the right. We don't have. We might need to. What I'm going to do. I'm just going to restart the web application. Hello. What? You don't need anything? You're just saying hi? Yeah. Hello. Of course, I came back down. I refreshed the page and everything's broken.
I mean, I'd like to say that I am your ultimate QA.
Thank you. All right, let's start it back up again. And what does this have to say to us? I've just done that. It's probably in the process of running. Containers aren't running yet. Want me to wait? No. I'm on it. Just chill. It's alright. We'll get there. Darling, play right again. Gotta find a way of caching that. Unless it's just a new version. I doubt it. So soon. I don't know. Maybe I need to install local web proxy cache thing. Database is ready. Is the web application running? It's not. Now? There we go. Ready now. Shows the import batch and import file had a user of hierarchy weren't being deleted before. Okay, cool. So now, I mean, okay, this is starting to work. Oh. So that most urgent doesn't make sense anymore. This pay period for here, have a go at. Lovely. We've got nothing set aside. We've got a default sinking fund. Nice. I think we should probably just show all the sinking funds at all times. So let's start doing one by one tweaks. Fund health in dashboard. Show all funds, not a roll up with accordion expanded or whatever. Not a roll up of all accounts. It's doing fine at the moment. So currently 781.67. If we look at our obligations, working at 300, well, 290, 330, 385, 324, 405, 470, 482, 480 plus 90 is 580. It's not looking good so far. 580 plus 9,200. 580, 1480 for 1500-ish. 1575. What's it telling us at the front here? Fund health 1563. Okay, pretty close. But 1563 divided by 2 is... Okay, so that's correct. Per fortnight, we need to be putting this much away in order to reach the sinking fund requirement of 1563. That looks good. Currently we start at 0 and we're fine until something goes wrong. We have... and the property management comes in. Well, that doesn't make sense because this should go from the $1 we've currently got up to, at this point here, we put in our fortnightly 781, put another 781, then we take out a bit for... It'll show me everything every single time. Yeah, we've got Idaho in there, we've got Idaho. So basically at this point here, we're taking something out. We come from 1564 down to 1560, 300, just short of 300. So that'll be the financial services. Of course, everything hits on that same day, so that goes boof. Okay, so that dot there is because financial services comes out and it breaks. And then it comes all the way down because we spend everything, because everything's on the 15th of the month still. We need to fix that bug. I'm going to, in our little notepad thing here, I'm going to write update the specs based on the changes we just made and ensure the implementation plan includes the new tasks but marks them as done given we've just completed them. Then commit these changes to Git. I'm going to put that there because I'm going to be copying and pasting that quite a bit because I'm going to make some changes and then I'll make sure all the documentation's up to date. All the documentation. Update the specs. What other documentation do we have? We do have architectural and ADR kind of. Update the specs and related docs based on the changes we just made. Copy that. So now if we look at the home page, we've got default sinking fund. Perfect. I think we can do something with the layout, but we'll do that later. The next thing I want to do is the most urgent here. This doesn't make